in a small island in Thailand called Koh Tao. It took me around 18 hours to get here. There's like 3 ways to get here from Bangkok, either by bus, train or flight. Bus, which is the cheaper one, which I took, and the flight is the most expensive one. And all of them eventually involve taking the boat to the island. The bus was kind of comfortable, but I still couldn't sleep, and the only thing is you need to wait from like 3 AM to 7 AM for the boat. But if you're okay with that and want to save money, I totally recommend taking the bus. Otherwise, you can take the train, which is like in the middle of time and money-wise. I booked my tickets using 12 Go Asia, which I am really impressed with so far, because you can book like from anywhere in Thailand to anywhere you want to go. I'm gonna quickly give you a room tour of my accommodation. I'm just gonna open this for more light. So this place is kind of over my budget, but includes breakfast and has a swimming pool, so I'm okay with spending a little bit extra money. So first, let's check what my view from my balcony looks like. There's the pool over there. I don't know if you can see it, but I will go for a dip soon, so I'll show you that in a bit. Here are the beds. And over there, for some reason I don't understand why the power outlet is over there when I would like to put my phone over there, but anyway. It's got a TV, refrigerator, another power outlet over here so I can charge my things. Includes water, aircon, it's got aircon, and this is like a desk where I can sit and do my edits. For some reason the wash basin is outside of the bathroom, which is over here. Toilet, shower. They also provide like toothbrushes, shower caps, and shower gel, shampoo, earbuds. Everything looked presentable until I messed it up. 2 mirrors, if you're into that. 1 mirror over there, second mirror over here. And for some reason it also has a fan. I'm spending about 1,000 baht a night on this place, and I'm staying for 5 nights because I'm doing a diving course, which they are picking me up for in around 2 hours, so I have a lot of time to actually do something now. But I'm gonna go out and I'm gonna explore a little bit of the area that I'm staying in. Anyway, let's go out. This is Ari Beach. I'll put the name over here if I pronounce that incorrectly. This looks like a very busy beach. A lot of people, a lot of restaurants, a lot of accommodation right on the beach. Probably at a price which I wish I could stay in. I've got about 30 minutes before they pick me up for my diving course, so I'm just gonna spin right back to my accommodation. And I'm back. So I've got around 15 minutes left. I'm gonna have a quick snack, then I'm ready to learn how to dive. Oh man, I just got back from my diving course. It was kind of boring, so I just sat there watching like a 3 or 5 hour movie, and then I had to like fill out questions. Look, I got a tan from my walk on the beach today. I'm gonna go for a swim, and that'll be the end of this video. Kinda need to put on my swimming gear, you know. It's like you just need to go get it. Okay, got it. Okay, cool. Can probably get rid of this. Okay, let's go.